Hello. This is Tim Trades NASDAQ Futures Live. All right, we are trading NASDAQ Futures contracts using Tradovate and Apex Trader Funding. We got two accounts and still waiting to pay out for one of them. Kind of odd taking long for approval for payouts. So we'll see how that goes. All right, we're going to be scalping 13 points. All right, we start looking for a trade at 6:29 a.m. ish. Today's Friday, August 22nd. Let's see if there's any news. Jackson Hole Symposium. No news I see. Nothing that should affect the market. Three minutes before we're looking for a trade. Two minutes. All right. The left screen is Tradingview. The right screen is Tradovate. There's our 2-minute alarm. Oh boy. I hope I don't get flagged for copyright. About 30 seconds before we start looking for a trade. Trade at your own risk. This is not financial advice. There is about a 4-second delay I'm scalping about 13 points. I have a 35-point stop loss, one contract, 50K account. Yesterday was a losing day. Looking for a winning day today. It's very rare that this strategy has 2 losing days in a row, so fingers crossed. Okay, we are looking for a trade. Looking live. Should print a green arrow for long and a red arrow for short. Slightly trending up. And we're long.
Order filled.
We are long. Looking for 13 points. We have a pullback, a little bit of a little heat. Taking a little heat. Ooh, had a little pump up and then a pump down. A little push up and then a not so push up.
Stop filled.
Holy moly. Okay. That's a loser. That's wild, folks. Jeez Louise. Okay, well that's a rarity. I don't know if I ever saw this strategy in the last 3 months. Take 2 losing trades. Our drawdown is now $1,000. We can only take one more. We can take one more losing day in a row. But after that, we have to have winners. Wild times we live in, folks. VIX is at 20.5. Let's see what a one minute chart looks like. Dump down. Here's a day chart. Day chart, we're kind of trending down. Trending down on the day. Something like that. Possibly looking for a short here. So a swing high did not print. So the 30-second looks like. It's a swing high. It's not plain fair. It's 2 fake out in a rows. Yesterday and today. If it crosses this point here, we'll take a short. Fake short. Like, comment, subscribe. Use code Tim at apextraderfunding.com to get the best discount possible. Capital TIM. There's another. Now I gotta move this line here. If it crosses this swing high, it's a long play. If it crosses these 2 swing lows, it's a short. This is kind of like a double bottom right here, so the momentum's looking up. These double bottoms act as kind of like hard reversal points. Okay, we're in this trade long. We'll set the loss below these 2 points here, and we'll take 10 points to the top side. That's not a 1-to-1. No, it's not. The more drawdown you're willing to take, the higher the winning percentage. Ooh, and there we go. That's a winner trade right there. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. What you could also do is let it ride and then bring your stop loss to take profit. Right? Now you got that's a free trade. In case it shoots up, or if you want to get more. Oh, there you go. So you could have gotten 25 points out of it. It's almost no drawdown. All right, well, at least our fake trade worked out today. Our market analysis trade worked out. So why the lines? So you have a swing high, swing low, right? And then you have a pull back from the downside. Didn't print. I would have liked this to have been a swing high position, but it didn't. Instead, it's printed another swing low, but it was a higher swing low, indicating the momentum is shifted. And then you had a swing high, still not as high, so it's kind of so that becomes the trend down. These 2 points are the trend down. Trend up, first line was this line here, but then we printed another swing low, so that becomes the new bottom point. You count 2 from the previous swing position, 1, 2, which also aligns with that. So then you play the break of that recent swing high, looking for highs in the day or break of the day. And you got VWAP behind you, so you're bouncing off of VWAP. You're also bouncing off these double bottoms, multiple confirmations of a upward push. You could throw some pivot points in there if you want. So price could be going to this pivot point right here. Oh geez, my head is in the way. See, if you guys would comment and say, hey, your head's in the way. You guys missed that whole trade because of my head in the way. Okay, back to the breakdown again. You guys swing high, swing low, pulled back, no swing high here. Swing high, swing low, pull back, no swing high here. Print another swing low. So this line would be here. Didn't break, didn't close below it. Swung here, we got a swing high here, so we drew this line here. Came back, we got to count 2, 1, 2. Didn't break here. Double bottomed, showing resistance to the upside, pushing to the upside. Broke this trend line here, another confirmation. Wait for the close candle that broke. It was a big candle, but it wasn't a crazy candle, so we had some momentum. Got in, rode the momentum, moved the stop loss to take profit after 10 points. But got about 25 points. The original was about 35 points stop loss. Still pushing up right now. And then we have this pivot point that's probably pushing to. VWAP is kind of support down here. Now, price does typically like to move to VWAP. So you don't want to get too far away from VWAP before it kind of has a pullback. But all right, today's Friday, another loser day. Didn't see that coming. We typically do not have multiple loser days in a row. Here's the indicator we have programmed. Oh God, did I get the wrong signal? Way too many trades. I don't know why something's wrong with this. I need to tweak it. I hope I got the right signal today. All right, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Actually, Monday morning. So tomorrow's Saturday, market's closed. We will see you guys on Monday. Looking for Looking for a long position. We're down in this account. We're still up on the account. 649. Still 80% win rate. All these wins and 2 losers in a row. The problem is these losers wipe out about 2.5 days of profit. So we would need about 4 or 5 more profitable days to wipe out these 2 losses. So by the end of next week, if we stay strong, we should be back to where we were today. So it's going to take us about a week to recover. Is that right? Let's see. All right. 2 losing days. 700 times 2. $1,400. 1,400 divided by 256 equals 5.5 days. So 6 days. On the 6th day, we'll be profitable. So that means all next week we need to come back, and then that Monday we need a green day, and then we're back to where we started from. All right, we'll chug along, keep chugging away. We were up 2,000 at one point. We only needed 600 more to qualify for payout. It's like 3 days. We live to trade another day is what they say. It's a business expense. It's an ego check. It's a kick in the balls. All right. Have a good rest of your day. See you guys. Have a good weekend. Get some rest, and we'll hit it hard on Monday. Peace.